Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's Thursday. We are okay. Look at the time and sir. Thursday, the 11th, and we beat 38. And you have to be careful this morning, everybody. We beat 38 with the June contract. Okay, so if you looked at my Twitter tweet last night, I took a shot at 39.75 on the June contract because it crossed an important level that I gave yesterday, the private room, the live room, and the mentorship students, which was 42. Okay, so I'll give you all the numbers this morning, but 42, and I trade on the June contract. So I took a plus 325. Twitter posted last night from the disparity, the lag between the June contract and the March contract. So be aware of this as I go through the analysis. Everything that I base is on the June. Okay, everything else, don't care. So okay, so let's go to the charts here. Yesterday, we make an equal from January the 11th, okay? So again, big picture of the market. 2007 October, we start lower high, lower high, lower high. Then in March, higher low, higher low. We break that triangle. We retest. Here, we thought there was a shoulder at 28. We called the 45 for weeks. Look at that video that I posted on YouTube on February the 23rd. I think that video is still on our site. It would have been nice 3 weeks ago that you know that 45 was the target, right? So, right shoulder didn't work. He went to the 45. He made an equal with the 48 from January 11, cross recross. So the key right now is, do we pull back a little bit and then the longs come back, or do we continue making higher highs, higher lows above the 48? Well, the power zone will tell us everything. So let's go to the power zone. Let's go back to the 60. Okay, let's try to fit everything here into one zone. Yeah, that's good enough for me. So look, that's the bottom line of the day here. By the way, this line here is not good. So here we go. Let's take a pen. Yesterday I said we made a 48, which was an equal from January the 11th high. We have also a double top from the previous 2 days starting. We have lower high in place. Okay, so a key question to me this morning is, can we sustain? By the way, we missed a line. I called 42 yesterday and 45. I called 41 this morning. Okay guys, so be aware of this. There's a big 41 here. As long as we stay below 41, we're on our way slowly but surely for a retest of support of 30. And if that fails, we are on our way to retest the low 20s, 22 area. Okay, the key for the longs is to sustain the 1422 area where I put rounds. It's all that band. Okay, 1422. As long as we sustain that band, all of this is just retracements. So for me, if I take shorts, which I took yesterday and I took also in the afternoon, yesterday afternoon, I take shorts with small sizes because I still expect either the 30 to hold if we stay below that 41 and we go retest support, and I expect the low 20s or the 14 to hold. So when I go short, I would rather go slowly, and then if it breaks 14 and stay below 14, I add to my short, and if it stays below the 1104, big short. Okay, so that's it. You have everything that you need. Above 45, the market is strong and is still on its way to what I told you, the 60, sorry, and the 79. Okay, if we are still not holding the 45 and especially the 41 this morning, right, there's a line missing. 41, we are slowly but surely making lower highs towards that 30 test. If that 30 test goes, we are in the low 20s, and the key area is that 14. You have everything that you need. Stay safe, have a good day, and get those pre-market analysis. They're absolutely free, 3 times per week on our site, tradingemini.com. I give them absolutely free 3 times per week before the market opens at 8 a.m. Take care, everybody.